Do you get stuck in conversation because you keep translating from your native language to English in your head? Today, we'll explore practical steps to break free from that habit and start thinking in English naturally. In this video, we'll cover practical tips to build an English mindset, shadowing exercises to speed up your thought process, and strategies to stay immersed in English all day. Our first tip we'll be going over is how to build an English mindset. Thinking in English starts with exposure and consistent practice. You want to surround yourself with English so it becomes your go-to language for daily thoughts. One way you can do this is by talking to yourself in English. Whenever you're alone, try narrating what you're doing in English. For example, I'm brushing my teeth, or I'm drinking coffee, or I'm going to start my work now. You can also label objects around you. Look around your room and name each item in English. This constant labeling helps you form connections in English directly, instead of thinking in your native language first. You can also use English media. Try reading the news in English or scrolling through social media. Watch your favorite shows or listen to podcasts in English, and try not to rely on subtitles in your native language. Choose English subtitles or none at all. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, they will help your brain absorb English naturally. Another great tool to reduce translation is shadowing. Shadowing is a fantastic way to train your brain to process English in real time. This is how it works. You listen to a native speaker, like myself, say a sentence, and then you repeat right after them, trying to match their tone, rhythm, and intonation. Let's try it with a short example dialogue. I'll read the dialogue first, so just listen. Then after, we'll shadow it line by line. Hey, do you have a minute to chat? Sure, what's on your mind? I'm thinking about going on vacation, but I can't decide where to go. How about somewhere with a beach? That could be really relaxing. Now let's shadow it together. I'll say each line and I'll pause for you to repeat. Hey, do you have a minute to chat? Sure, what's on your mind? I'm thinking about going on vacation, but I can't decide where to go. How about somewhere with a beach? That could be really relaxing. When you're shadowing, try to focus on listening to the English and responding right away, rather than translating words in your head. Another good exercise to help you reduce thinking in your native language is by doing quick thinking exercises. Let's do a few quick exercises designed to help you think in English faster. I'll give you a prompt and you respond right away. No time to translate. Our first exercise will be word association. So I'll say a word and then you say the first English word that comes to mind. Here's an example. So if I say fruit, you can respond with banana or apple. Or if I say summer, you can respond with ice cream or vacation. Okay, let's begin. Car, beach, winter, In our next exercise, I'll ask easy rapid-fire questions. Try to answer as fast as you can. Let's go. What's your favorite dessert? What do you usually eat for breakfast? When's your birthday? These short bursts push you to respond in English directly. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just avoid thinking in your native language first. To truly stop translating in your head, you need daily routines that keep you immersed in English. To do this, you can switch your devices to English. Change your phone and computer settings to English. That way, every time you check something, you're interacting with English words. Keep a journal in English. Write a few sentences every day about what happened or how you feel. This habit locks in the mindset of English as the thinking language. And you can also think aloud. When practicing, actually say your thoughts out loud in English. Hearing your own voice can help solidify the language pattern. Let's reflect. Ask yourself, am I hesitating or pausing to translate words? Do I trust my gut feeling in English, even if it's not perfect? How often do I immerse myself in English media or conversations? Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's to build fluency and confidence by thinking directly in English. Let's do a final challenge with shadowing. We'll go over a short scenario where we practice immediate English thinking. First, just listen, then we'll shadow it together. This morning, I woke up and told myself in English, I need to get ready for work. Let me grab a quick shower and then have some cereal. I picked out my clothes, checked the weather on my phone, and realized it might rain. So I thought, I should take an umbrella today. Now let's go line by line. This morning, I woke up and told myself in English, I need to get ready for work. Let me grab a quick shower and then have some cereal. I picked out my clothes, checked the weather on my phone, and realized it might rain. So I thought, I should take an umbrella today. Try to picture yourself doing these activities in English, mentally narrating your morning routine without translating. Great job today! We explored practical tips to shift your mindset and stop translating in your head. The more you immerse yourself in English and shadow real conversations, the more natural it will feel. Before you go, here's a quick homework assignment. Narrate one part of your day, like your morning or evening routine, entirely in English, in your head or out loud. Jot down any words you're unsure about. Look them up later in English to expand your vocabulary. And keep practicing with short shadowing sessions throughout the week. Until next time, trust your instincts in English, embrace mistakes, and keep practicing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like share it with your friends and family who are also learning English, and comment down below what you struggle most with in English. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on new lessons. I post content like this every day.